Hey everyone, welcome back to another OSCP journey video. Today we're going to do SickOS. I've been kind of sick. SickOS seems the way to go. So now that I'm feeling better, figured I'd give it a shot. As always, I have not touched this machine before. I know nothing about it other than it was on my list of recommended VulnHub VMs for OSCP training. So let's get right down to it. I've got my IP ready to go here. That's not it. This is it. So this is the IP of my target machine. I'm going to do a quick scan. Do my usual TAC-O for operating system detection, TAC-SV for service version. Let's see what we get with on this quick scan. Alright, so let's see. We have SSH and a web server. I love it when there's a web server running. So, looks like this is a Ubuntu machine, and got some kernel guesses, but I'm not too worried about that at the moment. Let's just, we know there's a web server, so let's just go straight for the web server. Ooh, didn't mean to do that. Copy, not cut. That's okay. Let's go to the web server and see what's going on there. Alright, so we got some memes. What if computer viruses are really made by the antivirus? That typo though. Alright. So let's see. Some stuff going on. View the page source. Image source. Okay, so here's what I'm doing. I'm going to download this image. Maybe we can see if there's anything hidden inside this image. Maybe do some steganography work. Right? So I'm going to download that, and then we're going to go ahead and get this running. So I am going to start a new see all my histories. I was practicing some more Eternal Blue stuff. Where is my favorite command ever? tmux, there we go. So I've been using tmux lately. As recommended by IPSec, and tmux is just awesome. So obviously I just started my normal tmux session. I usually call it hack the box because I'm doing hack the box machines. In this case it doesn't really matter what I'm calling it. I just want to have my tmux session open. So I'm going to start by creating a new window, and I'm going to call it GoBuster. We're going to do some GoBusting, some enumeration on these directories here. So I'm going to do GoBuster. There's W, user, share, or list. What was it? We want GoBuster directory list 2.3 medium, and our URL is this, and we'll give it like 70 threads because we got good CPU going. And we'll let that go and see what it finds. And while that's running, let's go play with that image some more. So create this new window, call it image forensic. Whoa, forensics. And we'll go into our downloads. That's weird. Oh, it was already in my home directory. And we're going to run foremost on this index JPEG, see if we find anything. Doesn't look like we did. Yeah, looks all the same here. So we can try a couple other things. I'm going to manually poke around at it. So let's see. You don't want to stay down the rabbit hole too much. So actually, before we do that, do some more basic stuff. XF tool on it. index.jpg. Nothing all that interesting. Run strings on it. Find anything. Doesn't really seem like that. Here, do this. See if there's anything interesting going on here. Sometimes we'll have like a base 64 encoded string or something in one of these kind of challenges. Maybe get some credentials. Doesn't look like there's anything in there though, just glancing at it. Alright, so I don't think the image is really gonna be of any use to us, and that's okay. Let's go back to our GoBuster. Haven't really found anything. Maybe a /test is a thing. Turn 301. Nope. Yeah, you know what? This is kind of weird. Why is that? Ah, the view source didn't give us anything, but inspecting the element did. Oh, we did that. All right. Got some comments and such. Nothing in here, huh? Lapalizer. Oh, that's my plugin. There's nothing in here, huh? Yeah, not real sure. Just let that keep going. Let's look back at our Nmap scan again. Searching around based on these server versions, see if there's anything fancy we could do. Well, that's running, so let's go back here. We'll just do a search exploit. Nope. 1.4, what are we on? 1.4.28. Mod user dir, information disclosure, source code disclosure. No, we're not vulnerable to that. All service maybe. So request handling and all service, but no. Nothing there. Let's look at the OpenSSH version. Search exploit. Nope. OpenSSH5 maybe. So where are we on? 5.9. Just do OpenSSH. Find anything? Nope, doesn't look like it. Maybe some Privesk, perhaps, but not anything super crazy awesome there. So we're going to be relying on the web. So we download that, looked like index.jpg. So let's maybe something happened when we saved it. Delete this one. So we'll go back to our image forensics tab. We'll foremost on this again. Nope. Strings. Looks the same. Exit tool. Yeah, nothing in there. Okay, so sure what this text is about. And I'm not so sure that there's anything else going on here. So we will consult our GoBuster. That was it. Test was the only thing that it might have maybe found. Okay. Oh, okay, now it works. I guess it's because we were on the... I don't really know what happened there. Next directory of test. Okay, so test is a thing. 1.4.28, right? No. Admin. Let's try good old robot set text. Not found. Make sure this is real. It's real. Alright, test is the only thing interesting we have found so far. I don't think we can go from here and do anything. Well, at this point, we'll do like a reverse image search. Hopefully it won't cheat us too much. Only thing I'm worried about with doing this is that if it pulls up like a walkthrough, that would be not the intended. What's the meme generator screenshot for? Okay. Looks like that's the best guess. It's pretty dang close. Okay, well that didn't really help us all that much. Maybe like a test.html. No. Index.php perhaps. No. Oh, it is PHP. Okay. Well, that's good to know. All right, let's do a more intense GoBuster. I guess I did leave off some stuff, so let's do some extensions. We want to do HTML, PHP, text. That will do Markdown. That should be good enough. I didn't think about doing extensions. Missed opportunity there. Hopefully we'll find some more stuff. And we'll just let that run, and hopefully we'll get something back. If not, we're kind of at a dead end at the moment. Alright, so I was just going to let that run all the way through, and not do anything else, and just wait to see what it finds. But I think I'm going to poke around a little bit more. Because there's some common things I haven't tried, like TGI bin. Okay, nothing there. There's like slash. I feel like GoBuster would have found those though, you know. Shoot, I don't know. I'm not real sure what else to try here today. Maybe we can access the htaccess file. That would be bad. Okay, can't do that. test test.cgi test.sh test. There's nothing in here. Just gonna sit here and think about it for a minute and see if maybe anything comes to me. Because if this Dirtbuster doesn't give me anything, I'm not real sure. One thing I learned from one of my Hack the Box VMs was that I should probably search for .sh files and maybe some .cgi files too. So you know what, I'm going to go ahead and kill this GoBuster. I'm going to go ahead and tack on those other CGI just in case. It's like shell shock or something. Hopefully we won't have to run GoBuster 50 different times to get this to work. You know what I can do? We only ran a quick Nmap scan, and that may not have shown us everything. So we can beef up our Nmap scan a little bit more. So we'll do an intent scan on 192.168.1.60 is RP. Yeah. We'll see if maybe we find some more stuff. Okay, so let's see here. Nothing new so far. Maybe we need to look at more TCP ports. Let me go look at my Nmap arguments. So Nmap sh, right? So, oops. I'm screwing up here. Alright. H, grep for. Ah, yes, and syntax scans, that's right. Trying to remember. Text inscription. Oh, that's nice. I think I'm looking for port though, P. Yeah. Need to brush up on my Nmap some more. Nmap's one of those things that you can never be too good at. Like, I consider myself to be pretty decent at using Nmap. Kind of know what I'm doing, but then I see one of my buddies just pull out some wizardry with these all three of these arguments that he's using that he just knows off the top of his head, and I'm like, oh, I didn't know you could do that. So, always room to grow, always more to learn. But what I'm doing now, I'm just using the Nmap intent scan all TCP ports preset. It's going to scan every TCP port, do some OS detection, some version detection, stuff like that. And hopefully find some more stuff. So right now we're just enumerating and hoping for the best. So we're done here. We'll go back to looking at our GoBuster. I think we'll watch the Nmap. I feel like the Nmap will give some more interesting results. Oh, the scan's finished. I didn't even notice that. What the hell? That's weird. I feel like I would find some more stuff. You know what? I think I know the problem. When I was looking through my commands earlier, let's go back to do a quick scan. This is something I learned from a colleague of mine. I'm trying to remember. Yeah, it's the -ss, because this is going to do a synac. So even if it's not responding as like a service, if it's up, it's doing something. If you get that acknowledgement of a request, it'll work there. So let's do a quick scan like we normally do, but tack on that syntax scan. I guess I should always do that from now on. I never do because I feel like I'll find it without it, but maybe we'll get some new info here. No, at least not with that. That -A flag seemed kind of cool. Let's try that. Just playing around with Nmap flags at this point, trying new things, seeing what we can get to work and what we can't. Trying to -A flag did a lot of stuff. Alright, we're gonna do tint scan all TCP ports. We'll tack on the -SS. See if we find anything new.